Today we're diving into the world of next-gen gaming. The gaming industry has been buzzing with excitement ever since the release of the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. These consoles have promised to revolutionize the way we play games, offering unprecedented levels of performance, graphics, and immersive experiences. The PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X have taken the gaming community by storm, but are they really worth all the hype? With their sleek designs and powerful hardware, these consoles have certainly made a strong first impression, but let's dig deeper and see if they live up to the expectations. Let's break it down and see what these consoles bring to the table. First, let's talk about the hardware. Both the PS5 and Xbox Series X boast impressive specs, including ultra-fast SSDs, powerful GPUs, and advanced CPUs. These components work together to deliver lightning-fast load times, stunning visuals, and smooth gameplay. We'll compare their features, performance, and of course, the all-important price. The PS5 comes in two versions: the standard edition with a disk drive and the digital edition without one. The Xbox Series X, on the other hand, is accompanied by the more affordable Xbox Series S, which offers a slightly lower performance but still delivers a great gaming experience. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just looking for a casual gaming experience, this breakdown will help you decide which console, if any, is right for you. The PS5 and Xbox Series X both offer a wide range of exclusive games and backward compatibility with previous generations, ensuring that you have plenty of options to choose from. So, buckle up, grab your controllers, and let's explore the exciting world of PS5 and Xbox Series X. We'll also take a look at the user interface, online services, and additional features that each console offers. From the DualSense controller's haptic feedback on the PS5 to the Xbox Game Pass subscription service, there's a lot to consider when making your decision. Stay tuned as we dive into the details and help you determine if these next-gen consoles are truly a revolution in gaming or just another wave of hype. First up, let's take a look at the Sony PlayStation 5. This sleek console boasts a futuristic design with its white and black color scheme and smooth curves. But it's not just about looks. The PS5 packs some serious hardware under the hood. One of the standout features of the PS5 is its super-fast SSD, which dramatically reduces loading times. Say goodbye to those annoying loading screens. The DualSense controller is another game-changer, with haptic feedback and adaptive triggers that provide incredibly immersive gameplay. Next up, we have the Xbox Series X, Microsoft's answer to the PS5. This console has been designed to compete head-to-head with Sony's flagship, and it certainly holds its own in the battle of next-gen gaming. The Series X sports a more minimalist design, resembling a powerful mini-fridge rather than a traditional console. Its sleek, monolithic shape is a departure from the more angular designs of previous Xbox models, and it fits seamlessly into any modern living room setup. But don't let its understated looks fool you. This machine is a beast when it comes to performance. Under the hood, the Xbox Series X is packed with cutting-edge technology that ensures it can handle the most demanding games with ease. The Xbox Series X boasts raw power, with a custom-designed processor and graphics card that delivers stunning 4K resolution gaming at up to 120 frames per second. This means smoother gameplay, faster load times, and an overall more immersive gaming experience. Microsoft's Game Pass subscription service is another major selling point, offering access to hundreds of games for a monthly fee. With Game Pass, players can explore a vast library of titles, from blockbuster hits to indie gems, all without breaking the bank. One of the standout features of the Xbox Series X is its quick resume functionality. This allows players to switch between multiple games seamlessly, picking up right where they left off without having to wait through lengthy load times. It's a game changer for those who like to jump between different titles. Another impressive aspect of the Series X is its backward compatibility. Gamers can enjoy a vast library of older Xbox titles, bringing a sense of nostalgia while also benefiting from improved performance and graphics. This feature ensures that your old favorites are not left behind as you upgrade to the latest console. The Xbox Series X also supports a wide range of accessories, from the high-performance Xbox Elite controller to various headsets and storage expansion options. This allows players to customize their gaming experience to suit their preferences and needs. Beyond gaming, the Xbox Series X serves as a comprehensive entertainment hub. It supports a variety of streaming apps, allowing users to watch their favorite shows and movies in stunning 4K resolution. Whether you're gaming or streaming, the Series X delivers a top-notch experience. The Xbox Series X also excels in its online capabilities. With Xbox Live, players can connect with friends, join multiplayer games, and become part of a vibrant online community. The console's robust network infrastructure ensures smooth and reliable online gameplay. Looking ahead, Microsoft has committed to continuously improving the Xbox Series X, with regular updates and new game releases. This ensures that the console remains at the forefront of gaming technology, providing players with fresh content and enhanced features over time. In summary, the Xbox Series X is a powerhouse of a console that offers a premium gaming experience. With its impressive hardware, extensive game library, and versatile features, it's a worthy contender in the next-gen console wars. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a casual player, the Xbox Series X has something to offer for everyone. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. Both the PS5 and Xbox Series X come with a hefty price tag. The PS5 comes in two versions, a standard edition with a disk drive and a digital edition without a disk drive, with the digital edition being slightly cheaper. The Xbox Series X also has a more affordable, less powerful sibling, the Xbox Series S. The big question is, are these consoles worth the investment? That depends on your budget and your gaming habits. Graphics and performance, a close call. When it comes to graphics and performance, both consoles are neck and neck. The PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X have been designed to push the boundaries of what we expect from modern gaming hardware. Each console boasts impressive specifications that promise to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience. The PS5 and Xbox Series X deliver stunning visuals, smooth frame rates, and immersive gaming experiences. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in fast-paced action sequences, both consoles ensure that the graphics are crisp and the gameplay is fluid. The level of detail in the environments, character models, and special effects is truly remarkable. Both consoles offer 4K resolution gaming at up to 120 frames per second, although not all games support these features. This means that for the games that do, you can expect incredibly smooth motion and a highly responsive gaming experience. The higher frame rates are particularly beneficial for competitive gaming, where every millisecond counts. Ultimately, the difference in graphics and performance between the two consoles is negligible for most gamers. While there are minor differences in how each console handles certain games, these are often so subtle that they go unnoticed by the average player. Both systems are capable of delivering top-tier performance that will satisfy even the most demanding gamers. The choice comes down to other factors, such as exclusive games and ecosystem preferences. Each console has its own set of exclusive titles that can sway a gamer's decision. Additionally, the ecosystem, including online services, community features, and backward compatibility, plays a significant role in determining which console is the better fit for an individual. In the end, both the PS5 and Xbox Series X offer exceptional gaming experiences, and the best choice depends on personal preferences and priorities. Exclusive titles, a key differentiator. One of the key differences between the PS5 and Xbox Series X is their lineup of exclusive games. Sony has a long history of delivering critically acclaimed exclusives, and the PS5 continues that tradition. Microsoft, on the other hand, has been focusing on building its Game Pass library, which includes a growing number of Xbox exclusives. Backwards compatibility, playing the classics. Another important factor to consider is backwards compatibility. The PS5 can play almost all PS4 games, while the Xbox Series X supports games from all previous Xbox consoles. This means you can dust off your old games and relive those nostalgic memories on your new console. Backwards compatibility is a huge plus for gamers who have invested in a particular console ecosystem over the years. The verdict: which console reigns supreme? So, which console comes out on top? The truth is, there's no easy answer. Both the PS5 and Xbox Series X are incredible gaming machines with their own strengths and weaknesses. The PS5 boasts impressive hardware, lightning-fast loading times, and a fantastic controller. The Xbox Series X, on the other hand, offers raw power, a vast game library through Game Pass, and wider backwards compatibility. The future of gaming, bright and exciting. The PS5 and Xbox Series X represent a significant leap forward in gaming technology. With their powerful hardware, immersive features, and expansive game libraries, these consoles offer something for everyone. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore enthusiast, there's no denying that the future of gaming is bright and exciting. Now go out there and experience next-gen gaming for yourself.